Here I have LENOVO TAB A8 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on this device by using the LENOVO TAB settings. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing a power key just to unlock your device. Then let's go to the home screen, and here you have to find and select the apps icon and choose the settings. This is the settings icon, so let's tap settings. Here you have to scroll down to personal tab when you have to choose backup and reset. So let's select backup and reset option. Here you have to select factory data reset. Let's read the information about the process and choose reset phone. In order to start performing the hard reset operation, so you have to choose erase everything, but you have to make sure that you would like to erase all personal information, customize settings, downloaded apps, and if you are sure, let's choose erase everything right here. Right now the device is performing the hard reset operation. Let's just be patient, wait until the whole operation will be completed successfully. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up, so it simply means that hard reset operation is done. Now you may start activating your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.